What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. Today's video, I'm gonna go into more detail of how I set up the table for my mom's 70th surprise birthday party and the items that I purchased, the costs, and so on and so forth. So y'all can have more details of what to look for and, what have you. So let's get started. Yeah, I don't even know where to start, so let's just start at the beginning. Okay, y'all, this was used for my drink dispenser, the glass drink dispenser, and I didn't realize I needed a stand. So at the last minute, I was trying to make up stuff because I did not want to purchase a stand. So I just used this wooden, I think it's a salad bowl. See? It's just a wooden salad bowl. Because I say it's sturdy enough. Flip it over. The base was big enough to hold it. And I was like, bet I could use it. And I got this at Goodwill for only $2.99. And it worked. Okay? So I'll bring out the glass dispenser in a minute with details about that. But let's keep it moving. Second, I already know where this is from. Dollar Tree. Okay, and since the theme was blooming, as y'all saw, Barbara's blooming 70th birthday, which is a flower theme, I'm like, this is perfect. I already had it, and I already know it's $1. And then these little wooden things in here also came from the Dollar Tree, and the cups came from 99-cent only store, and then the silverware came from Walmart. So dollar, and I think this set was $2 and something. I don't recall the price, but it was under $5 for the silverware. And y'all see it's rose gold. Thought it was real pretty. So then this little truck, I got it from Kohl's, and I got it on sale. I think it was under $10. And you already see it goes with the theme. And the actual garland that y'all actually see that's on here is 2 vines that's going around, and it's connect. And I got that off of Amazon. I'll try to leave that link in the description box. But I was very pleased with the color. I really think that they're pretty, and the quality to me is nice. And I do believe it was under $15 for sure. But y'all have the information in the description box if I remember, okay? And the tablecloth itself, which to me was the winning statement piece that brought it all together. I got this actually at Goodwill a while back for only $2, guys. Come on through, Goodwill. So once I saw this, I was like, I'm getting it, and I'm going to have some form of gathering. Didn't know what it was. The gathering was going to be, but hey, it happened. And then these napkins were from Walmart. I think it was 98 cents, 97 cents. And then these risers, wooden risers, were from Target. 2 to a pack, and 2 to a pack, it was $5. And I thought that was pretty decent, so that's what I put that on. These plates came from Walmart, and they match the silverware, which is like a rose gold, and I don't recall the price. I'll try to link what I can link in the description box. And then this stand that I put the plates on came from Goodwill. I think it was $2.99 or $3.99. Moving on. You already know this came from Dollar Tree, as well as the pink poinsettias. All came from Dollar Tree. And this actually is what I had the mustard in, but the mustard is now put up. But that's a different way. If you don't because I was actually going to put a label on that mustard. I was like, you know what? I ran out of time, guys. So I just put it in here. So you still can use it, but it isn't out the way, and still, a little cute factor. Just a cute little party tip. So, like I said, these flowers were also from Dollar Tree, and the container was from Dollar Tree. The plates I already had, was gifted Like, you know, when you move out the house, your mama hook you up. Those were these plates. I have not a clue where they from or how much they cost, but you can use any plate. But the holder, whatever this mess is called, got it from Goodwill. And it's a little funny story behind it. Y'all, I thought this was a plant stand or something. I don't cook, y'all. I don't know nothing about no displaying food and stuff. So that's originally why I bought it. Until I tried to put a pot in it. I'm like, this is too low. What kind of plant stand is this? Then I looked it up and said, no, fool. That is how you display your food. So I said, okay, I'll keep it. Maybe one day I'll use it. And guess what? That day was the other day. How about that? And I really like it. It's cute. Of course, it's functional. Don't recall how much I paid for it. I want to say it was like maybe $2.99. But most definitely under $5. And so then here's your other thing. Y'all know what? I didn't even use this. I was going to use it for something, y'all. Yeah, I ran out of time, but it was cute, though. I kept it there. And then these little flowers, I thought they were so cute. These are from Walmart. And they were only like, I think, 90 cents a piece. And I was like, shoot, that's super cute. But when it comes to Walmart, you don't ever know how much them dang little plants the little, you know, fake plant's gonna be until you sometime check out. But anyway, that was only 90 cents. And then this little cute little stand I got at Michael's a long time ago. It actually come with a lid, but it's used for plants, but I use it for everything but plants because I do not have a green thumb, thanks. So that whole little thing, that's old school. I think it was for sure, under $10 because I got it on sale at Michael's. And that pretty much almost wrap it up. So let's go over here. Alrighty. So y'all see these flowers. These flowers I got at Walmart. These are my favorite. I see these often at Walmart. They come in a bunch. And they $3. And I think that's a decent price because I love the color. I love the arrangement. But I thought that was real pretty. And so then these big olive tins, I got them at a thrift store a while back. Actually, my mom bought them for me. And I got 2 of them. The other one is over there. That's holding the other set of flowers. And I don't remember how much they cost, but they came from the thrift store. Okay, this container that was holding the water, I got it from Goodwill, and this was only, I think, $2.99. And this, I really, really love this item. It came in handy. And I got this sign also from Goodwill, and it was only $1.99. This tablecloth, if you want it, but it's actually a curtain, guys. I saw it, like, you know what? I got this small table, and it should fit, and it fit perfectly. A curtain, guys. It is a curtain. And it was only $2 too, I do believe. $2 or $1.50. Alrighty. And I think that pretty much sums up my decor for the table settings. So let me go on to the next item. Alrighty. This was where I had the potato chips displayed on. This thing, I guess it's a display thing. I don't know what the heck this is. But I bought it a long time ago because I like stuff that look like a store. Like, could be used in a store-like thing. And so then I got the idea, like, oh, I could get those badge clips. That's all this is those badge clips. And I got 12 in a pack at Walmart for only like $2.30 or something. It was real cheap. So I said, oh, I can hold my potato chips. And it worked out perfectly, guys. So and I think this little mechanism, whatever the heck it is, I think that was only $2.99 or $3.99. It was, once again, under $5. And it came in handy, y'all. Okay, this is the glass dispenser that I used for the party for the drinks. And I got this at Michael's. I had a coupon, I think it was like 40% off coupon. I'm like, oh, I could use that and find a drink thing. And it came in handy. So I actually only paid $12 for this dispenser. drink dispenser. And I feel like it was good quality. It didn't leak, praise be to God. And it kept the drinks cold. And it was the perfect size for my salad bowl. So yeah, I got it at Michael's, guys. Alrighty. And for these balloons, the majority of these balloons came from Walmart. Like these shiny ones. These are so pretty, but they kept deflating, look. But hey, it is what it is. I got these shiny ones, 5 to a pack from Walmart, and I think it was like 97 cents. These I ordered off of Amazon. I forgot how much that cost. And the white balloons, I got some at Walmart, and I finally found some at Dollar Tree. And then this big size, 70, to me, that's a nice size. I got that at the 99-cent store, those balloons. And y'all, that's a good price. Of course, $1 is a good price, but for this size, that's a nice size balloon, guys. And so that's where I got the majority of all the balloons. Walmart, Dollar Tree, and 99-cent store. You cannot beat that, y'all. And of course, I got the arch thing because I did not use all of it. And of course, that came from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. And for the food, I kept it real simple and cute, guys. I do not cook. I would never ever pretend that I'm like this great cook. And of course, y'all, I was on a budget. So I just bought some sandwich meat. This is my favorite sandwich meat, y'all. I love it. I got some cheese. And these are the cookies I put in those cute little bags, which also I got from the Dollar Tree, at Walmart for only 97 cents, I do believe. I'll show you those in a second. And these, of course, are Walmart. These are my favorite cookies, y'all. They used to be $1.50. Now they're like $2.05. But to me, that's still a good price. So, and then I also bought crescent rolls. Great value crescent rolls. So I just displayed it. They could build their own little cute sandwich. And of course, I had the mustard. And y'all saw the cakes that I gave them. And that was their food. I had in mind to do more. But I ran out of time, guys. So I made do with what I had with the time that I was given. I don't know what that time, when y'all saw in my video, I started back in September. That still wasn't enough time. And these are the bags I use. Like I said, I got them for Walmart that I put the cookies in. And then I placed them on the plate. And these bags, I don't know how many came in a pack, but you already see how much I still have left. I would say about 10 maybe or more. It comes with its own little gold ties. And so I put the cookies in there, and that's how I displayed it. So real cute and simple, and I think I just mentioned it. They was only 98 cents, under $1, guys. And last thing I used were these cute little glass jars to put the cake in. I had a little cake mishap. They weren't as cute as I wanted them to be. Thank God, I always keep all kind of crafts and stuff. So I said, oh my God, that'd be the perfect size for these cute little jars. So these did come in handy. I just washed them out and I put the cakes inside of them. And then I was like, you know what? That's also a cute little gift to give to them. So that's what I did. So these are the cute little jars I use. And that was it. And like I said, I already had them on hand, so I bought these a long time ago. I have not a clue what I paid for them, but they're still available for sure, guys. That's pretty much it, guys. For the cake, I did use a cake mix. I kept it simple and cute, guys. And you see all the little items I have showed you guys in this video. Reasonable price. You might have to put a little hunt into, search, try to find them. But for the most part, you can have a beautiful tablescape and party scene real inexpensively, guys. But you just have to Yeah, you can be a little creative, and just once again, you have to search for some things. They're not all gonna be at your fingertips, and especially this day and time, really nothing is at your fingertips anymore. So I hope this video helped you guys, give you some ideas on your next party or your next event or what have you. And if y'all have any further questions, something I did not cover that you saw in the previous video, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section, and I will do my best to get back to you and answer your question the best way I can. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video, guys.